In today's class, I am going to explain about public expenditure. What is public expenditure? Public expenditure is that expenditure which is incurred by the public authorities, either central government or state government or local governments, either for protecting the citizens of or for satisfying the collective needs of the citizens or for promoting their economic and social welfare. So, whatever the expenditure which was spent by the central government or state government or local government for protecting the citizens or for satisfying the collective needs of the citizens. What are the heads of public expenditure? Different economists like Adam Smith, Pigou, Dalton, J.S. Mill, and others have classified public expenditure according to their own basis of classification. Public expenditure may be broadly grouped under two heads. They are revenue expenditure and capital expenditure. Revenue expenditure means it refers to the expenditure incurred by the government for the day-to-day administration. That is called revenue expenditure. Revenue expenditure classified into civil expenditure, defense expenditure, grant in aid to other governments, miscellaneous expenditure. What is meant by civil expenditure? It refers to the expenditure of the government pertaining to the maintenance of justice, law and order. Civil expenditure includes expenditure on general services, expenditure on civil services, expenditure on economic services, expenditure on public debt services. So, expenditure on general services means it involves the expenditure on parliament, legislatures, maintenance of embassies, government departments, police force, salaries of government employees, ministries, etc. Expenditure on social service means it refers to the expenditure of the government on social and welfare activities. It includes the expenditure on drinking water facility, education, health, housing, and various other social security measures. This kind of expenditure improves the social welfare and standard of living of the people. Expenditure on economic services means it is the expenditure incurred on the development of economic activities. It includes promotion of industries, agriculture, transport, trade communication, irrigation, banking, etc. It helps in improving the productive capacity of the economy. Expenditure on public debt services means it includes the interest payments on the public debt and repayment of public debt. What is defense expenditure? It includes the expenditure on defense forces, production of arms and ammunition, pension to retired defense personnel, etc. And what are the grants in aid means? It consists of the financial assistance given by the government to other governments. For example, grant given by the central government to the states and union territories for financing their economic projects. And what are the miscellaneous expenditure means? It includes the expenditure of the government in providing subsidies to industrialists, exporters, relief and rehabilitation of the people during the natural calamities, financial aid to the economically vulnerable sections and regions. What is the capital expenditure? It refers to the expenditure incurred on creating permanent revenue yielding assets. It includes development expenditure, non-developmental capital expenditure, repayment of public debt, loans and advances to other governments. Since 1987-88 onwards, central government of India adopted a new classification of public expenditure. Under this public expenditure, classified under two heads. One is plan expenditure and the second one is non-plan expenditure. What is plan expenditure? It refers to those expenditures which directly contribute for the economic development of the country. It is divided into three subheads: economic services, social and community services, grants in aid to states and union territories and foreign governments. What are economic services? It includes the expenditure on agriculture and allied activities, industries and minerals, mining, manufacturing, transport and communication development, credit and financial institutions. What are social and community services? It helps in building up of the productive capacity and efficiency of the people. It includes the expenditure on education, training and skill formation, research and development, family planning, medical and health, labor and employment generation, etc. Grants in aid to states and union territories and foreign governments. It includes the developmental grants given by the central government to states and union territories for the purpose of undertaking various developmental projects. Non-plan expenditure means these expenditures do not contribute directly for the development of an economy, but they are essential for carrying on day-to-day activities of the state. It includes interest payments and debt servicing charges, defense expenditure, general services, subsidies, no governmental grants to states and union territories, tax collection charges, police expenditure, loans to states and foreign governments, loans to public expenditure. Role of public finance in a developing economy: to increase the rate of capital formation, to increase the rate of economic growth, to achieve optimum utilization of resources, to achieve full employment, to reduce economic inequalities, to counteract inflation. So these are the different terms we are using when we are discussing about the public expenditure. So whatever the public expenditure means, the government is spending towards for the welfare of the people, then we are calling it as public expenditure. According to Adam Smith, so we are just explaining that different ways, some economists classified expenditure on the basis of benefit, while some economists classified it on the basis of functions of the government. According to Adam Smith's classification, Smith classified public expenditure according to the following functions of the government. Protective functions: the expenditure incurred on defense, arms and ammunition, police, courts, jails, etc. is included in this group. Next one is commercial expenditure. What is this means? The expenditure incurred on commercial functions, activities such as establishment of industry, transport, communication, subsidies, etc. is included in this group. What are the development functions? The expenditure incurred on economic and social development of the country, such as expenditure on railways, roads and highways, education, health, recreation, telecommunication, etc., which helps to increase national income, is included in this group. So here, what are the public expenditure means? Public expenditure is that expenditure that is by the public authorities to protect the citizens or satisfying the collective needs. And different heads we have discussed here: revenue, capital expenditure, and whatever the civil expenditure, defense expenditure, grants in aid to the other governments, and civil expenditure means expenditure on general services, all we have discussed. And there are some canons of public expenditure, that means some general rules they have to follow while the government is spending towards the welfare of the people.